They went so far as to go out to a junkyard in the middle of the California desert and record car smashing, dropping, and pounding sounds through a Foley session at a junkyard, which for me is the perfect way to capture the Incredible Hulk.
This will be Kilo Kilo, take 6. Cut.
The whole game is about power, so the sound has to definitely depict this power. And because there's so much destruction going on, because the Foley session was recorded in high definition, we could really manipulate these things to a much further extent than you can with other sound sources and libraries. The sounds that you hear in the game are really a conglomeration of a bunch of different sounds.
When you hear an explosion, that might be a layer of fire, of glass, of metal, and that is what actually makes up one sound.